剛強
being strong, resolute and steadfast.
他的性格非常剛強，就算要經歷艱辛刻苦的訓練，為了達到目標也不輕易放棄，因為他明白，就算最後輸了，過程中一定會贏得寶貴的經驗，讓自己的人生更豐富。
He has a very strong and steadfast character. Even when facing grueling and arduous training, he does not give up easily in order to achieve his goal. Because he understands that even if he loses in the end, he will surely gain precious experience during the process, making his life richer.
我們要學會分辨什麼是可以讓自己進步的評語，什麼只是別人的閒言閒語。遇上閒言閒語時，我們一定要有剛強的內心，不受他人影響，堅持在對的方向上繼續慢慢向前走。
We need to learn to distinguish between comments that can help us improve and mere gossip from others. When facing gossip, we must have a strong and steadfast heart, not be affected by others, and continue to move forward slowly on the right path.
佳佳很剛強，面對突如其來的改變，也勇敢面對，不會逃避。
Freya is very strong-willed. When faced with sudden changes, she confronts them bravely and never avoids them.
就算是最剛強的人，也需要跟別人合作，因為團結會帶來更大的力量。
Even the strongest person needs to cooperate with others, because unity brings greater power.
我們不需要時時刻刻擺出一副剛強的樣子，有需要的時候，要勇於尋求協助。求助不是軟弱的行為，而是對自己溫柔的行為。
We don't need to appear strong all the time. When we need help, we should have the courage to ask for it. Seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but an act of kindness toward ourselves.